Hi there, students. Sharp practice. Okay, sharp practice is when you do something that is clearly unfair. It's probably dishonest, but it's not illegal. This particularly in business, or they also use this phrase in the legal profession as well. So, for example, I know some airline companies insist that you check in online. And if you fail to do it and arrive at the airport, they charge you a huge amount of money just to print your boarding card. And I consider this sharp practice. It's not illegal, but it's clearly grossly unfair. And that's the idea of sharp practice. You can also use this phrase sharp practice to talk about the legal profession, where a lawyer takes advantage of a mistake made by the opposition in order to gain advantage. It's not illegal, but it's clearly not fair. Sharp practice is acting in bad faith. Yeah, in business and in law, you need to act in good faith. You need to act honestly and reasonably. Sharp practice is underhanded. It's deceitful. So many hidden costs in things could be considered sharp practice. It's dirty dealings, especially in business. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of sharp practice in, for example, the second-hand car business. Yeah, there are many things that you can do that are not necessarily illegal. There are others that are illegal, and that's no longer sharp practice. That's more than sharp practice. That's illegal practice. Okay, so it's a way of behaving that's dishonest but not illegal. So there should be rules that protect customers against sharp practice. So sharp practice, where people are, or where companies are acting in a way that it's clearly dishonest. It's not professional. Yeah, it's pretty clever. It's pretty ingenious, but it's not fair. It's unscrupulous. It's dishonest. So in business, there are all sorts of sharp practices in business. He accused the solicitors of sharp practice. Yeah. So the act of dealing where advantage is taken, but without scruples, without doing this honestly. And that's the idea of sharp practice. It's some sort of chicanery, some sort of double dealing, some sort of duplicity. So they accuse the solicitor of sharp practice. Don't do business with him because he's been guilty of sharp practice in the past. There has clearly been some sharp practice in the negotiation of this contract. My company had to deal with sharp practice from other competing companies in this contract. Any kind of sharp practice or dishonest dealing will ruin your reputation in business. Okay, so sharp practice, formality. 4.5 informality. Use informally, use semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, perhaps not something very formal. And I think the idea or the origin practice is something that you do that is sharp, that is mentally quite uh, quite acute because you've seen a way to go round the rules without actually making it illegal. So enough. Yeah, clickbait is sharp practice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sharp practice.